Welcome to another part spotlight video. This week's part spotlight are the tunnel bags. I have two different types with two different variations in each type. So the first type are a little bit thicker. They don't have any cutouts. They are the potato chip bags. They crinkle like a potato chip bag would, and everyone has a dangling mouth that goes on the top of it for your cat to buy that when they're in the tunnel. This is the brown potato chip bag, and then I also have yellow potato chip bag. That's cute. The other two have the paw print cutouts on them, so your cat can peek through. If it's small enough, they can probably get through the main hole in the paw print. These have the extra dinglies on the sides as well as in the center of them. So for these, I have the orange pattern as well as the hedgehog pattern. They're really crinkly. They're a lot of fun. They sound like a potato chip bag or a paper bag was definitely fun for your cat to play in, whether you want a solid kind or the kind with the paw print cut out. They are a lot of fun. So check them out on the website, and I'll see you guys next week for another part spotlight. Have a great week, guys. Bye.